Hi, I'm Kristyn, owner of Bend Beyond. Today's Inferno exercise is tricep push-ups. We love all varieties of push-ups here at Bend Beyond, but tricep push-ups may just be our very favorite variation. Like regular push-ups, tricep push-ups target your pectoral, deltoid, and core muscles. The narrower hand position, though, allows you to strongly engage and strengthen your triceps. If you've got shoulder stuff going on, you may find that this narrower hand position allows you to do push-ups more comfortably. A lot of people tell us that their wrists hurt during push-ups. One tip is to make sure that you're pressing down through all the knuckles of your hands, especially behind your index finger, as you lower down and as you push up and away from the floor. If this doesn't alleviate your pain, you can always try making little fists. Thumbs out, palms face one another, and that'll keep your wrists straight during your push-ups and hopefully relieve any issues you're having. Tricep push-ups can be done on the knees or from a plank position and are a wonderful way to strengthen your upper body. Form is key, so always choose the variation that allows you to keep proper engagement and alignment and go through your full range of motion. Let's take a closer look at that form right now. Tricep push-ups. Setup is key. So what distinguishes a tricep push-up from a regular push-up starts with your narrow stance. Make sure that your hands, wrists are directly underneath your shoulders. As you lower your body down, make sure the elbows swipe the side body. A common mistake that we see is elbows flaring out to the side, which turns this into a more regular push-ups, where instead of strongly engaging the tricep and keeping the elbows right next in to the side body. Whether you're on your knees or up high, make sure the whole body travels together. Another common mistake we see is pushing the hips up in the air and lowering the chest rather than the whole body towards the floor. Instead, engage your core muscles, make a long, straight line with the body, and imagine you've got a surfboard strapped to your back, lower everything down together, and then as you exhale, push the floor away from you. Keep your head on straight throughout, chin away from your chest, gaze focused just at the tip of your mat. Keep these tips in mind next time you make it to your mat, and we hope you'll get more out of your practice with us. See you soon.